If you've got a 2016 Mazda 6 and you live in an area like I do where it's cloudy and it's raining constantly, and every time you wash your car you're sick of it being all nasty, gross, and dirty, and you're trying to figure out how to keep the body clean, you're probably thinking of looking for some splash guards or some mud guards for your car. So I went to the dealership and they wanted like $250 for the Mazda OEM ones. I was like, screw that, I'm not spending $250 for a couple pieces of plastic. So I ordered these ones from eBay, and these were assembled in China. And then this is the e-packet that they came in from China. So from the time I ordered them on eBay, it took about 2 to 3 weeks to come into the country. But pretty crazy considering that these are only $15, including shipping, and they come from halfway across the world. A lot better than $250 at the Mazda dealership. And they look pretty nice. They look just like the factory OEM ones. Come with all the mounting hardware. I've already measured them up on the car, and all the holes and everything match up perfectly. And I will have a link in the description box down below of where I ordered these on eBay. So we've got the car jacked up, and let's throw them on there real quick and let's take a look at how they fit and how they look. If you guys like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel down below and give me a thumbs up on the video. Alright, so here's the splash guard, and I'm just going to slip the little plastic clips into it, and then I'll slip it back into the fender. Alright, so those are set, and let's line it up. So yeah, that fits perfectly for $15. Definitely not complaining. So it looks pretty good. You can see with those two attachment points, it's nice and solid. It doesn't really move at all in the car. And there's the third point down below, which you can see that if I had like another one of these plastic clips to go down in here, that I could move that to line up with the hole. There's a hole right there. But it fits so solid with just those 2 points that I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not even going to worry with trying to mess that other grommet. And just so you know, on the front, you don't even actually have to jack the car up. You can remove these from the side with the car on the ground and put the splash guard in. I did the other one on the passenger side already, and it took me like 20 seconds to pop those little clips off and install it. But the back of the vehicle, you can see you have to actually screw into the plastic wheel liner, so the tire does have to come off, or the wheel does have to be removed. And we're going to go ahead and remove this bottom screw here, and we'll use that as a form to line up our splash guard as to where it goes, and then we'll drill the secondary holes. So there's the screw on the underside. It's secured, everything lines up perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my drill, and I'm just gonna drill a couple pilot holes in these plastic fender well liners, and then I can set the mounting screws in. Alright, pilot holes are drilled. See where they're at in the liners there. Go ahead and slip our screws in, and we can complete the other side, and this job is done. Pretty simple. Alright, install turned out nice and good. Fits just like it should. Perfect fitting all the way around. Seat's nice and tight against the body. Fits all the way down to that under connection there. So we're all done with the install, and get the car pulled outside in some better lighting so you can check out how these look. And they look great. I'm excited to wash my car next time after it rains, because I won't have all of this crap that just stuck on the side of my car from the road. It'll help keep all that road grime off. And yeah, they look good. I'm pretty happy. 15 bucks. Can't beat it. And like I said, I'll have a link in the description below where I ordered them from China off of eBay. So look at the passenger side. Front and back. And that screw hardware looks really nice.
Very nice.
Matches perfectly.
Matches perfectly.
Don't even notice it. Yeah, not the most exciting video, but who wants to go to the dealership and buy parts from Mazda, which are probably manufactured in China? And if they are manufactured in Japan, why spend $225 to $300 that the dealership is asking when you can get them on eBay for $15? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks, have a good one.